Other links. This rule will be triggered when members sends a message in the group containing non-Telegram links. Click Allow to enable it. Click Prohibited again to disable it. Delete message. Automatically delete messages that violate the rules. Click to turn this function on or off. Penalty. Click to enable and select the penalty type. Warn. Warn members who violate the rules. Kick. Kick members who violate the rules from the group. Penalty on second. Warning for the first offense, penalty on the second offense. Mute. Mute members who violate the rules. Click Mute Duration to select the mute period. Supports the penalty on second offense option. Block. Ban members who violate the rules, which means removing them from the group and preventing them from rejoining. Supports the penalty on second offense option. Exclusion. You can add excluded content. Excluded content will not be restricted by this rule. Send the link start with HTTPS or HTTP to add excluded content. Click Remove to delete the added excluded content. Click Check the exclusion to view the added excluded content.